everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1967 Chevrolet. This is a true 138 super sport car. These 67 SSs are tough for me to get my hands on. Kentucky car. It is an older restoration. They figured this car was done about 15 years ago. Still very well maintained. I'll tell you what, very impressed with it when I cruise it down the road. Shifts out nice, nice and tight. Car really hit the road good. They've obviously, it's a color change. This is actually Cortez silver. I don't believe this color was available till 69. But pretty on the car. It's Cortez silver metallic. It does have the stock black vinyl interior in it. It's got 15 by 8 Corvette Rallies all the way around it. BF Goodrich Radial TA. As a matter of fact, the rear tires are brand spanking new. So I did not like the tire size on the back, so I put my favorite tire size, which is 255 60 15. So it's got the little bit bigger meat in the back. Again, it's an older resto, so you can kind of pick as you walk around. There's some touch-up marks. There's some blemishes that you can pick out on the car. But still, very, very nice. You guys, we've been around since 78, man. I don't buy anything unless I wouldn't park it in my own driveway. They replaced the bumpers on the car. Sorry, we're kind of in the shadows here this morning. But again, there's a few little blemishes as you walk around. I try to point them out to you. But nice car. This car's got one of my favorite options on it, the blinker tach, and it works. I love these in 67. I think every 67 Chevelle should have a blinker tach. This trim here looks original, shows a little bit of its age. Again, same thing. Now these are available, you can buy those things, so I don't think they're a whole lot. Car's nice and straight down the sides. They did put quarters, I believe, on both sides. Again, rear tires are brand spanking new. 15-inch rally, 15 by 8-inch Corvette Rallies all the way around it, with the disc brake flat cap. I like that look right there. Looks good. Stone pack. Like I say, as you walk around it, there's some touch-up marks on the car. Yeah, this is disc brake power. They've added the disc brakes. It says 396, and of course, looking in there, you can't tell you. Everybody does this. It's actually got a 454 big block underneath the hood, but they left all the 396 badging and stuff on it because that's actually what the car would have come with. 400 trans, Holley dual feed 4-barrel, Weiand intake, power steering, power front disc brakes. It's got the chrome air cleaner and valve covers. They've upgraded to an HEI distributor in it. Stock Harrison radiator. I think I said it, 400 turbohydramatic trans. It shifts out really nice. I put a few miles on the car, and like I say, it was impressive. It drove really nice. Good looking car. Make sure you're keeping track of us, guys. I'm working really hard trying to buy stuff. I know it's getting in and out pretty quick. I know we had several cars last week sell before I got them advertised, and that usually gets people upset. But well, this really nice A-pillar chrome there. A little bit of blemishing on it, but that's really nice. Looks like they've replaced the mirrors. It's got the stock door handles. Looks like it's got new door fuzzies on it, new door rubbers. Door seams are clean. Stock black bucket seat with center console interior. Looks like they've replaced the carpet. Again, bucket seats, center console, sports steering wheel. Love the blinker tach. Headliner looks real good. 9114. That's supposed to be the miles on the resto. Again, blinker tach. All the gauges worked. Blower motor works. Radio works. Padded dash. Clock does not work. It is dual exhaust. It now has its 12-bolt rear end. They've upgraded to a 355 limited slip. Spares here in the trunk. It's all spackle coated. Clean underneath. Floors look good. And it looks like they got a nozzle, so they may have air shocks in the rear. Good car. Like I say, very impressed with the way it went down the road. Nice and straight, shifted out good, stopped good. Nice car. This is a great body style, man. These cars are just slick, hot as can be. Everybody trying to find these 67 Super Sports. Get that question 100 times a year. What's the most popular Chevelle? Without a doubt, 67s and 70s. They are the cars that everybody seems to be chasing. Seats have definitely been repadded. Dash pad's nice. Detail there on the dash. Love that blinker tach. Factory center console. It looks good. Same thing. These are new. You can hear the thing fires right up. These are really nice. No big cam or anything like that. Pretty much bone stock. Really drove good. Like I say, nice and tight. That is a pretty car, man. Real 138 Super Sport too. It's not a clone, guys. Tach works, blinker tach. Oh, hopefully you can see that. It works. All your gauges are functional. Car's holding real good oil pressure. Doors open and close nice. Backup lights work. That's a good car right there.
They go for a couple days starting Friday night.
Blower motor worked. Wipers are functional. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Great way to keep track of us every day. How do I see your new inventory? Check our social media pages. And like I say, as soon as I post a video, you can register for our YouTube. And you'll get an immediate notification. As soon as I post this car, immediately guys get text